those mysterious columns from earlier on. What could they possibly be? Let's find out soon. We're gonna wave it. Hello. Nothing. This building here, well, I'm about to tell everyone about the columns, but once I finish that, I'll talk about the building, no worries. Okay, so those red columns in between the bridges, well, that's where the old railway line used to run. But as we moved into the modern age, the trains, they started to get a lot bigger and a lot heavier. And just simply put, well, that bridge wasn't suitable to support their weight anymore. So we stepped in and we built those new bridges either side to replace it, but you see, the problem was, we didn't have enough money to pay for a new bridge to replace it at the time. So we had to come up with, well, sorry, I got distracted by my story, sorry, miss, that question on the building was through then. Where was I at? Yes, sorry, what I was trying to say about those new bridges is we built them so close to where the old one was located, which made it impossible to remove the old one afterwards. So the only way we could get rid of those columns would be by using dynamite to blow them out of the ground, which also would have blown up and destroyed the new ones. We just spent a lot of money to build either side, and we didn't want to do that, so instead we just decided to paint them bright red, give them a grade 2 listing, and fingers crossed, no one will notice we left them behind. You can be the judge now about that one worked out.